Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy crypto on Trading 212. In the next couple of minutes, we'll go from opening the platform to placing a buy order, keeping things simple and clear. Make sure you're signed into your account and comfortable with the risks involved in crypto, as prices can move quickly. Start by opening the Trading 212 website or app. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see your watch list, portfolio, and market overview. We'll focus on finding the crypto you want to buy. Next, click on Search. This is usually at the top of the screen or represented by a magnifying glass icon. The search bar lets you quickly locate instruments by name or ticker, which is the short symbol for each asset. Using the search tool helps ensure you're selecting the exact market you intend to trade. In the search bar, enter the symbol of the crypto you want to purchase. As you type, you'll see matching results appear below. Take a second to verify you've got the right one by checking the name and symbol. If multiple variants show up, look for the listing that clearly indicates it's the crypto instrument you want. Click on the matching symbol to open its instrument page. Here you'll typically see the live price, a chart, and details such as the spread. This page is helpful for a quick pulse check on recent price movement. If you want more context, glance at the time frame options or the days range to understand how the price has been behaving. When you're ready, click on Buy. This opens the order ticket. The ticket is where you choose how much to invest and review key details. You may be able to switch between entering an amount in your local currency or entering the quantity of the crypto itself. Choose the option that feels most intuitive for you. Enter the amount you'd like to invest. Take note of any minimum order size, the estimated cost, and the spread, which is the small difference between the buy and sell prices. Double-check the order type displayed. By default, it's often a market order, which aims to execute at the current available price. Finally, click on Place Buy Order. The platform will process your request, and you should see a confirmation once it's executed. From there, you can view your new position in your portfolio, keep an eye on performance, and manage it as needed. That's it. You've just placed a crypto buy order on Trading 212.